Do you know how to say to go in Russian? Let's check. To go in Russian is идти. Be careful. Идти means to go on foot. Let's conjugate this verb in the present tense. I go, я иду. You go, ты идешь. He, she goes. Он, она идет. We go, мы идем. You go, plural or polite. Вы идете. They go, они. Now it's your turn. Write the correct form in the comments. Real Russian, real life.